If you want your beats to sound extra good, watch this video. So the first thing I do is I go to tools, then I select unused channels so that I can get rid of any sounds that I'm not using. Then I go here, then I delete selected. Now every sound that is here, it's being used. So after I do that, I find my melody. In this case is this one, and it's already routed to, I don't know if the word is routed, but it's already linked to channel 2. So let's just click Control L just to label it right here. And now let's take all our drums. So normally after selecting all my drums, I go to the mixer and then select the 10 or anything from 10 going that side, because from 9 going downwards I like to put my melodies. So after selecting all those sounds, I'm gonna click Control then Shift then L, then everything is gonna be linked here. I also like to come here and then just sort this by track just to have like the numbering up. When you're making your beat, you kind of have to play with these sounds just to get your sounds balanced pretty well. So here we just do like the final rounds up of the mix. So what I do is I take every sound here, route it to this track only, and then I name these drums. Then I go to dog, then left, it's gonna be this side, and then I go to my tag. I have this effect that I put on my tag. It's a EQ, so I use this EQ, it's a preset that I got. Then I take it down. When I mix my beat, I start with the drums. I play every sound one at a time. In most cases, I start with the 808 and the kick. So from our playlist, we're gonna select the loudest section of the beat, which is the busiest. So I'm just gonna select here. Now let's mix. So the reason I'm putting the kick to mono is that I don't want it to have like stereo on it. So I'm also gonna put limiter on the 808 just to duck down every time the kick hits. So now let's go to the hi-hat. Penning also helps balance the beat as well. Now let's do the snare. This is our snare. It's gonna be loud, so let's take it down. I feel like it has some low end, so I'm gonna EQ it. When I was mixing beats before, I was afraid to go above 0 dB or 100%. So now I crank it. I can crank it to like this point if it doesn't hit. do these ones. So sometimes it happens that the audio is low on this side, so I just increase this so that I don't have to like crank it up here. After that, I go to the drums. I put in like a compressor. You can use any compressor you like. I've been using a TR5, but now I'm exploring things, so I'm using this one, SSL Native Buzz Compressor. So I'm still learning this one, but I think compressors do almost close to the same kind of work. Just monitor here, make sure it doesn't hit like on 4 exactly. You see, it kinda compresses like the kick and the 808, so I don't want too much of it. I think it sounds better without the compression, so I'm just gonna take that out. Now we just check the meter. You see, it's clipping, so I'm just gonna throw in this thing. This is like my go-to for the master, soft clipper. I feel like the hi-hat is too loud. Now let's go to the melody. With my melody, I only have like one melody. With the melody, man, you can put it wherever you want, but just make sure that your melody is not louder than the drums. The reason I'm doing this is because the melody sounds like it's more to the left, so I'm trying to make it to be more to the center and to the right. Yeah, this is the beat after the mix.